perfect beauty gift can be tricky, especially when it comes to choosing the right shade or scent. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Makeup artist and beauty expert Mickey Williams is here now with the gold standard picks that you have that are sure to impress. And these are all items that you've actually tried, right?
Oh yeah, I use them. I'm a makeup artist by trade. These are in my kit. These are everywhere.
Okay.
I've gifted these, you name it. And it's what's important too is that I tried to find things that were on sale or that were at a great bargain for what they put together for the holidays. So first off, I love to gift skincare. I feel like skincare is something that everybody needs, male or female.
So true.
But it's hard because people don't really know what they want for themselves. So I go with what something's trending or something that literally has like 55,000 five-star reviews. Okay?
Which we love. Okay.
So first off, I'd like to layer. So I started off with the serum. This is Olay. This right here is their super serum. On sale right now, $29.99. What's great about this is that it has kind of like 5 serums built into one, and I want to show you, it also has this great little kind of gimmick. One bottle is sold every 30 seconds, so tell me,
it's like
popular.
Purple, like
yeah, and it's
tint
really
to that.
I know, and when it goes in and dissolves into your skin, it lets you know that it's fully absorbed. So I feel like that's a cute kind of like thing if you're giving it to somebody who's like, how do I use it?
That feels so nice on my skin.
It smooths visible lines, it does so many incredible things, but it also is just a really good powerhouse of ingredients, and it's affordable. I love giving affordable because I want them to be able to afford it when they run out.
Right.
The next one that I like to put on is the Micro Sculpting Cream. This is by Olay 2. This is their moisturizer. One of these is sold every, I think it is 12 seconds. So again, if you think about it, I mean, obviously people really like this product, so whoever you're gifting it to is too.
Yeah.
This one right here is really just one of those products that's really helps strengthening your skin barrier. But what's so cool about these two is that not only do they work as like incredible hydration, this one actually lifts. So if you know anybody who might be saying like, I feel like my face is falling. Anyway, both of these right now, they're on sale. You can buy them at any drugstore, okay? I think this was bought at Bartell's last night. Then you can go in and you can mail in. They have a rebate right now where you basically, Olay.com, and it's called Up Late Rebate. And what happens is, or up late rebate, you mail it in and you get a $10 gift card back for yourself. So a sale and a little something for yourself.
Okay, and something else for myself. I love a makeup palette. What do we have here?
I love It Cosmetics. I feel like every makeup artist has a little It Cosmetics in their case. And I went to Ulta and I was looking for like a great little kind of compact or color thing. It had so many different holidays offerings right there. This one is amazing. This is their Celebrate Glow Face and Eye Palette. I love it. There's 4 shades. You have a shimmer, you have a pearl, you have a matte, you have everything built in there. It's multitasking. You can use it on any skin tone.
Any skin tone.
$45. I absolutely love this product, and what a great gift, right?
That is, because it goes with anyone. Okay, next up, our scalp. We need some scalp help. What do we have here?
You said I trust everything, and this is a personal favorite of mine because after I had my son, my hair was falling out, and I looked for all these different options because it just happens, right? You have this beautiful hair while you're pregnant, and then it falls out, and I was like, I want to keep it. I'm at Kel Gower MD. This is like a little bundle right here. It's a prevention serum, and it also has a treatment serum. It's drug-free, and that was what was so important for me. This bundle tested better than minoxidil, and this is like the brainchild of Dr. James Kilgour. What's amazing about this product right now is that everyone's talking about it. It's all over social media because it's drug-free, but what it does is it has a prevention, which is almost like, think about how important sunscreen is for your face, right? So the prevention serum is like a sunscreen for your scalp, and they say that the treatment in all of the social media ads and everything is like getting a facelift. What it does is it says that, your follicles will work again, you just have to give them a little bit of love, and it takes very little. Now, this right here is $150, but it lasts for up to 90 days, and right now they're doing a promo right now where you can get it for 2 days, and it's holiday to ship. I keep forgetting this promo code. It's so great. I'll remember it again.
We'll put it online. That's so amazing.
Holiday
I'm always looking for some
the number 2. It's the 2 that screws me up. You can get it in 2 days if you need it last minute.
Okay, and speaking of hair too, what do we have here? Beachwaver. I've heard of this.
Beachwaver is all over social media. You've seen it everything. It's a viral sensation. It was created by celebrity hairstylist Sarah Patempo, and she has like the long list of. She created these waves. She got them on everybody. You can see it. This is incredible. Here's a demo more right here. What this does is it's a it goes in either direction. You have 3 different temperature settings right there. What you can see is that it either goes one way or the other way. It goes both directions. It has a basically crimp-free clamp. And all you do is you basically put this into your hair.
Oh, I love it.
And you're going to go just like so. And then all you have to do is just turn it whichever way you want it to go. Hold it for a couple of seconds. It takes the brain work out. This is the easiest thing ever. Right now they're $99 at Target.
That's
with
such a good deal. What?
But wait, 25% off. So that's going to be happening until December 15th, which I was like, go get it. They also have a great barrier spray that I love working with it because I don't like hairspray.
Yeah.
She's a celebrity hairstylist. She's figured it out. She knows what to do. Okay. This is the B1 rotating curling iron. They have a couple different sizes, but right now 25% off at Target. I love that thing.
It's awesome that they have different sizes too for your hair depending on the wave and the curl you want. Okay, and last up, what do we have here? An ice roller.
This is, okay, so teens and tweens are obsessed with skincare.
Yes.
And I don't recommend it whatsoever. I just think, listen, give them something. But this is a great thing because they also love all of these layerings and steps that they can take. This right here is Hufel. This is an ice roller. And let me tell you something. If you get this for your teen and your tween, you're also going to use it for yourself. If you wake up puffy, it's fantastic. $12.99 at Amazon right now. It also comes with a little gua sha.
Oh, yes.
You can get it without the gua sha
great.
for like $6. It also comes in blue if you have a little mini Devo in your life, right?
Okay.
But I love it too because it also works on injuries. You can just pop it in and it has a backup roller right here so you keep one in the freezer while you're doing the other one. It's great. It's very inexpensive, and I haven't.
What a good stocking
I've gifted
stuffer.
it about 10 times, and everyone's like, "I love that thing. Where did you get it?" And I'm like, "Don't go look, because you'll see how much I spent on you." So,
thank you so much for being here.